Hi everyone, I'm Riti and welcome to Riti Yoga. Today we are going to learn the most popular and the very classical Surya Namaskar. We all know that it has 12 steps that we do in a flow to create a single sequence. Plus we also know that it is a full body yoga routine plus a great way to warm up your body before any practice. Other than this, it can help improve your full body flexibility when you do it slow, like holding each pose for a longer time. And when you do it at medium pace, it can help build that strength in your body, tone the muscles. And when you do it fast, it can be a great kind of cardio for your body that will help you lose fat and manage your overall weight. So today we are going to learn it step by step, focusing on the proper alignment and proper breathing so that we can get the maximum benefits out of it. So whenever you are ready, we will start. Come to stand at the front of your mat. Bring your feet together. Keep your spine tall, shoulders soft, and your arms relaxed by the sides. Just close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep inhale through your nose and exhale fully through your mouth. With your each breath, feel your body settling. Feel your mind arriving and your energy preparing to move. One more deep breath in and exhale it out completely. Very slowly, blink open your eyes. We will start our Surya Namaskar here. Very gently, bring your palms at heart center. In the first step, Pranamasana. Take a slow breath in and exhale fully. Feel grounded and connected to the mat. With your next inhale, sweep your arms overhead with the palms facing each other. Slightly arch back, lift your chest and engage your core. You can gaze to your thumbs or forward. As you exhale, hinge from the hips and fold forward. Hands can come to the floor, to the toes, ankles, or shins. Whatever feels comfortable to you. If hamstrings are tight, you can bend your knees slightly. It's okay. Keep your neck soft. Inhale and now step your right leg back. Keep your right knee lifted or drop the knee if it feels uncomfortable. Your left knee directly over your left ankle. Hands or fingertips on the mat. Lift your chest and gaze forward gently. Exhale as you lift your hips high, straightening legs as much as comfortable. Press your hands and feet firmly and your heels toward the mat. If your wrists are sensitive, press more into fingers or you can slightly bend your knees. Create an inverted V with your body. Moving forward, inhale, exhale and lower your knees, chest and chin to the floor. The 8 points touching feet, knees, chest, chin and hands. With your next inhale, slide forward. Lift your chest into Cobra, keeping your lower body grounded. Elbows slightly bent and hands under shoulders. Exhale, lift your hips again into Parvatasana. Again, straighten legs as comfortable and press heels toward the mat. Inhale, step your right leg forward. Left knee can stay upright or down. Hips square, chest lifted. Stretch the back leg fully. Exhale and bring your left foot forward. Hands on mat or shins. You can also hold your ankles from behind. It's way more easy for you. Inhale and sweep your arms overhead. Shoulder blades broad, lift your chest. Exhale and bring palms to heart center. So this completes half round. Now we will do same 12 steps on other side this time, moving your left leg, and that will complete one round. So inhale and again lift up, open your chest. Exhale and fold forward. Try to touch your head to your knees. Inhale, step your left foot back this time. Knee can come down. Lengthen through the spine, stretch the hip flexor. Breathe into the front body. Exhale and lift your hips high into mountain pose. Keep your shoulders away from ears and your spine long. Inhale, move forward. Exhale and lower your knees, chest and chin to the floor into Ashtanga Namaskar. Keep your elbows close to your body. Inhale, slide forward. Lift your chest into Cobra Bhujangasana. Keep your shoulders away from ears. Open your chest and spine long. Exhale and move back again into mountain. Hands grounded, your fingers active. Inhale, step your left leg forward. Right knee lifted or grounded, whatever feels comfortable. Exhale and come to forward fold again. Release your neck and back. Inhale and lift chest. Breathe fully into Hastottan. Exhale and into Pranamasana again. We will do one more round like this. This time focusing more on each inhale and exhale. So again starting from Pranamasana, the first step of Surya Namaskar. Inhale and lift up. Imagine stretching from your heels to your fingertips. Exhale and fold forward. Release your back. Inhale and move back into Ashwasanchalan, right leg back. Breathe into the front body. Exhale. Lift into mountain pose. Heels toward the mat. Inhale and exhale into Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale into Bhujangasana. Open up your chest. Exhale and move back into mountain. Inhale. Bring your right leg forward into Ashwasanchalanasana. Exhale into Padhastasana. Inhale and again lift up. Raise your arms. Exhale and into prayer. This completes half round. Inhale again and bend back. Exhale and fold forward. Inhale, this time left leg back into Ashwasanchalan. And do whatever variation works for you. Exhale and move back into mountain pose. Inhale, exhale and Ashtanga Namaskar. Feel the strength in your arms and your core. Inhale into Bhujangasana. Engage your glutes and your legs gently. Exhale and back into Parvatasana. Feel the stretch along your back and your legs. Inhale, step your left leg forward. Stretch the right leg fully. Exhale and fold forward, releasing your neck and your back. Inhale, lift up, fingertips active. Exhale and bring palms to heart center. Take a breath in and exhale it out. Relax your arms to the sides. Gently close your eyes and take few deep breaths here, returning to natural breathing and natural heartbeats. If it feels too intense for you, you can come down to the mat into child's pose, widen your thighs, walk your hands forward and relax your forehead on the mat. This is a deep relaxation pose. You can surrender here always. Soften your jaw. Soften your whole body. And whenever you feel good again, you can relax and come back to seated position. That's it, guys. So if you are a beginner, you can start with just 2-3 rounds of Surya Namaskar just like we did today, and as soon as you get comfortable, you can gradually increase the count. So keep practicing, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment, because your love motivates me to create such more content, and of course subscribe. So until next time, bye bye.